Okay, so we've got a 2021 Lexus NX300 in an F Sport edition. Automatic SUV in a nice metallic black. Got the reverse camera and sensors, of course. Alloy wheels, tinted windows. It's got the big electric sunroof as well. Only travelled 26,000 kilometres. One lady owner, full service history, and the vehicle is immaculate. Say no more. We'll take a look at the interior. So we've got the, looks like radar, cruise, lane change, hold, anti-collision, Bluetooth connectivity, and there's your dash there. 26,000 kilometres. Satellite navigation, big colour screen, that dual zone climate air. There's your command centre there. Of course, it's automatic. Interior seat trim is in excellent condition. Nice leather trim, side airbags. There's your front passenger, also looking very good. And there's your back seat, pretty much like new. It does have the power tailgate. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.